चलो फटाफट से स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करो और हाँ, जो घंटी नजर आ रही है बिना देरी किए इस पर क्लिक करो।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्पोर्ट्स तक। इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं अफगानिस्तान के प्लेयर इब्राहिम ज़ादरान और ये आईएल T20 का हिस्सा हैं जिसमें ये गल्फ जायंट्स की टीम के साथ खेल रहे हैं। इब्राहिम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ डू यू फील टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस लीग आईएल T20?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm feeling so great to be part of with Gulf Giant. This is my first time playing Gulf IK and joining the Gulf Giant family. So I'm feeling really great.
We would also like to know, are you fully fit because you had an injury, you were going through recovery. So are you now fully fit?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fully fit. I had surgery for my ankle, so now I'm fully fit. I'm super excited to join the dressing room with Gulf Giant, and I'm sure I will try to do something special in extra for the Gulf Giant.
Ibrahim, I would like to know more about Afghan cricket because we've seen you guys performing so well and the growth has been splendid. So what do you want to say about it? How you have motivated yourself, your whole team, how it has been?
If you look at the last 2-3 years performance of Afghanistan cricket, it's amazing, it's a great achievement for us. So the thing is, whenever we play good cricket, then the expectations are getting bigger. So this is why we get the energy from that, and we got the energy from that. So whenever we play good cricket, when we give our 100% on the ground, as I have mentioned, in the last 2-3 years we performed really well. So this is why I can say it gives me energy and it motivated me a lot. Because I don't think that I should be relaxed. Then I think that I have done well for Afghanistan, so I need to do more. And with that mindset, with that mentality, I want to work more harder to play better cricket for the Afghanistan. And along with that, when you play better cricket for the country, then you are getting inspired the youngsters over there. I can give the example of Rashid Khan. If you look at him, he's one of the superstar players on the world. Like recently, Gulbaz is in good form. He performed really well. Overall all around the world, he inspired lots of cricketers, especially batsmen. So this is what I think the same. So to inspire the youngsters there in back home.
Okay, so as you've mentioned that you are fully fit, so will we see you in Champions Trophy?
Sorry? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm fully fit, so it's in my mind. So I keep working for it. I don't think that I just play here ILT. Yeah, I will be play ILT, but within that period, so I will try to keep maintain my skills, work and that energy and fitness level. So it's in my mind. I need to be prepared. It's a 50 over game. By change, different with the T20. I'm fully fit. It's in my mind. So I want to be fully fit for that.
And you're going to play your matches against South Africa, England, Australia. So how do you feel? What are your hopes and how you've motivated yourself?
Yeah, we played against them.
You won against
Yeah,
the
if
team.
you look at the recent series against South Africa, we have won that. Unfortunately, I wasn't in the squad. I wasn't available because of injury. So the guys played really well. For the first time we played the series with them, we won. But we beat Australia in the last T20 World Cup. But the confidence, the mindset, the energy is there to show it on the ground and go with the same passion, energy.
Okay, if you get a chance to play in IPL, which team would you pick?
Definitely, I will say that I will pick RCB because of Virat Kohli. He's my favorite cricketer.
Okay.
But no problem. Whatever team picks me, I heard a lot about IPL. It's one of the top level league in lots of great cricketers playing over there. So it doesn't matter for me. But if I get back to RCB, it's gonna be a great for me.
You
because
must
of,
have-
Virat Kohli.
Yeah, you must have met Virat Kohli. Any memory of him? Any conversation that you've had with him?
Yeah, last year when we had the T20 series with India, I met him in the final game, the last game of the series. I just requested him that you're my favorite player. I have met you a lot in the past, but this time I want to have a chat with you. Then he has chat with me. He shared, his experience, his knowledge with me. As I can say, and I said that he had a 15 minutes chat with me. Then he left to join the team, celebrate the trophy. Then he came back, had a chat with me for 20-25 minutes. I was amazed that look at that. He's one of the great cricketer, and he wants to give his important time to me. But that time he shared lots of things about cricket.
Okay. Any informal thing that he shared to you? Any memory? Anything like that?
Yeah, I've asked him that you're playing all three formats for the country. Me same. I also play all three formats for the country. How you adjust yourself according to the format? Then he shared that. So he said that when I play T20 cricket, I just want to go a little bit aggressive. Just want to smash the bowler and enjoy. But white ball cricket, I just want to focus, each and every single ball. But red ball, I don't want to go, that much harder. I just wait for the, for the lowest ball and want to take time in Salanga.
Okay. On a lighter note, if you had to pick one team against which you would never want to lose, any one team, which team would that be?
I think I don't want to lose to any team.
But still, this team,
I can
anyone.
say that, but I would say that Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Any specific reason behind that?
They have won the games from us in the big events. As I can say, when I used to watch, my team, Afghanistan cricket team. So I didn't play in that time, but they have won the games. They won the games very crucial. They won the very crucial game from us. So for the second, seventh time. So
Ibrahim, do you think Afghanistan is the second most, you can say, important or better team in Asia after India? Do you think that?
nowadays, I think so. It
In terms
wasn't.
of performance?
Yeah, in terms of performance, as you mentioned, but in the past, people thought that they are just participating in the tournament. They were thinking like that, but nowadays people don't think like this. They said that Afghanistan is not going to participate in the tournament. They are going to play. They are going to join any event, but nobody, no team should take it easy. They're gonna go hard and they're going to win. So that's why.
Okay, just last question. What your two top finalists for Champions Trophy?
I would say Afghanistan. Yeah, because I trust. I always try to trust on my team, on myself. Afghanistan, and I think maybe India, according to the situation, Asian condition.
We will hope the same, and thank you so much, Ibrahim. Thank you so much for joining in with us, and thank you.
Thank you.
स्पोर्ट्स की खबरें ढूंढ रहे हो तो इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? चलो फटाफट से स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करो और हाँ, जो घंटी नजर आ रही है फटाफट से बिना देरी किए इस पर क्लिक करो।